House Llama, Sítio Toca do Tatu / Luiz Paulo Andrade Arquitetos in São Roque, Brazil. With the feet on the ground. The starting point of this project was the traditional house archetype, with its simple and pure form. Llama House is the first in a series of constructions that will be built on this land located in the rural area of São Roque, a city near São Paulo, known for its natural beauty and low temperatures. The use of local labor led to the choice of building a house with simple shapes, a traditional construction system, and directly connected to the ground. The house is fully placed on the ground, with its external skin integrating with the environment almost like a monolithic structure. Since it is a single-story house, its floor plan has a simple distribution, with a central hallway that connects the intimate areas to the big living room that faces the large forest. You can reach the garden from every room in the house. The feeling of being connected to the exuberant nature that surrounds the house is accentuated by the large openings. For the roof, we opted for a traditional gable roof that gives the house its pure form, linked to the archetype of the house. The large clay tiles bring the house closer to an almost rural language. The front and back facades have the same shape but with opposite materials. One is completely transparent and the other has no openings. Natural materials cover and protect the house from the high humidity, due to its proximity to the forest. The bedrooms are heated by controlled sunlight, and in the social area, there is a fireplace that is its main element. Originally designed for a couple in their older years, it has large rooms and hallways. The kitchen, fully connected to the social area, serves as a hub for meetings, conversations, and leisure for the couple with their children and grandchildren. This house is a place of peacefulness and affection, the starting point of a life story.